Hello children, welcome back to biology class. In our previous classes, we have learned external structure of the heart, internal structure of the heart, and about the four valves of the heart, that is tricuspid valve, bicuspid valve, pulmonary valve and aortic valve. Now we will learn about double circulation of heart. Human heart is double circulatory heart. Why our human heart is double circulatory heart? Blood comes to the heart twice. Once the blood comes to the heart in the form of deoxygenated blood. The same blood again, after oxygenation, again the blood comes to the heart. So same blood is coming to the heart in the form of deoxygenated blood and oxygenated blood. We consider human heart as double circulatory heart. So we begin the double circulatory heart right from the parts. I have drawn here the simple picture of double circulation. The center one shows us heart diagram with 4 chambers, the bottom body parts, whereas the upper one lungs. Here we see from the body parts the used blood, deoxygenated blood reaches to right auricle through caval veins or vena cava. So from the body parts the deoxygenated blood, used blood is moving through the caval veins, the blood vessel, and reaches to right auricle. From right auricle the blood enters into right ventricle. From right ventricle the blood moves through the another blood vessel called pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery. Now this pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood from right ventricle to lungs. In the lungs, the carbon dioxide rich blood, deoxygenated blood gets converted to oxygenated blood. So, which is oxygen rich blood. Once oxygenated blood is formed through the blood vessel called pulmonary vein. Through the blood vessel called pulmonary vein, the blood reaches to left auricle, from left auricle to left ventricle. Now from left ventricle, again the blood goes to all body parts through systemic aorta. Here we could see, children, from the body parts through caval veins to right auricle, whereas from right ventricle it's going to lungs through pulmonary artery. So as blood is going to lungs, it is considered as pulmonary circulation. So in this pulmonary circulation, it describes about the flow of deoxygenated blood. Coming to this side, oxygenated blood circulation. Here the oxygenated blood circulation is done through systemic aorta. The blood is going to all body parts. So it is called as systemic circulation. Pulmonary circulation, systemic circulation. Now here in this pulmonary circulation we see pulmonary artery. Actually all arteries carry oxygenated blood except pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood. This pulmonary artery carries blood from right ventricle to lungs. So we could put the arrows upwards. Here coming all veins. Veins are also another blood vessels which carry oxygenated blood, whereas pulmonary vein carries oxygenated blood. All veins carry deoxygenated blood, whereas pulmonary vein carries oxygenated blood. These two are exceptions. All arteries carry oxygenated blood except pulmonary artery. All veins carry deoxygenated blood except pulmonary vein. So this describes about double circulation of heart. Children, please feel free to ask doubts in comments. I'll respond you at the earliest. Thank you.